Alkaline not have no album a big like Masicka album. And Masicka get a lot of international appeal.
And growth. Masicka has been building his international presence, especially after 438 and Alkaline, despite being reclusive, still has a strong international fan base. Clash could distract them from their bigger goals, which is taking dancehall global.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
No, one Media Fox, people. More while, I have to just laugh. You see me car, see a brother forward out. Yeah, man. Chat one bag of thing. But you don't know, I have to beat and teach. You see me? Yeah, man, you know a thing set. So, you must say something about Alkaline and Masicka. Make way, we must say.
Yo, you know, say me no wrong Masicka for ignore Alkaline because when Masicka upcoming, the man used to call up Alkaline name. Because man want Alkaline and him to have a little clash for boots in career. Alkaline no give man no strength. Alkaline ignore the man. No, Masicka depend on hype. I get a lot of international buzz on him. Think the Alkaline.
A lot of international buzz. I don't know. I don't know about that, brother. International buzz. Because every chart him tap in Jamaica, so I don't know. You understand? Him go Antigua where there. We see what go on. Me see it, so I don't know about that, brother. I tell you, say, I feel like you know say something and in a reality different. You see me?
Lukewarm. Alkaline not got nothing. So Alkaline try for this Masicka. For try get a hype. But me glad me support Masicka, you know. Do not pay Alkaline in the mind because Alkaline never give no justice neither. So don't give no justice. You see me say? Ignore him and go and do your thing because Alkaline not have no album a big like Masicka album. And Masicka.
What you mean by Alkaline not have no album with big like Masicka album? I don't understand that. Bro, you see more while? I kind of realize, you see, because we in a more social space like with internet, like when couple people say something, it just licking on it. Yo, Masicka have the greatest album, this, that, rare. But when you check it, Alkaline album them, him can just go in at thousands of people and just sing the song them on the album alone and mash up a place. I'm not sure about that with Masicka. But I'm sure that about Alkaline. You understand? So when you say Alkaline, how if it bigger, bro, when Alkaline are number one, brother, Masicka have a number one album on the Billboard chart. So I don't understand what you mean by that. But I understand say yo, them plant that in our brain to make it seems like that. You see me? But trust me, a lot of bigger hit songs depend Alkaline album more than Masicka album. You understand?
Get a lot of international appeal. And Masicka, you have some youth of Jamaica where me know say them youth are boss big Skeng, Skilly Bang Skeng, Valiant and Masicka.
Man I call Valiant to man say Valiant, a Valiant the man name dog.
Them youth there, I will up in music. And the youth them Valiant, remember me tell you, the youth there go breakthrough, big. Skilly Bang get a big breakthrough because Skilly Bang a collab with international artists. So I say even Skilly Bang and Buster have a nice song and them thing, you see me? But Masicka, general, and them you the art clean. And you see Masicka, the artists them in the music industry, the big man them respect Masicka. Masicka give a big man them credit. And that all of Masicka in the business. Masicka share respect. So I deal and the big man them in the music. When we talk about big man, I talk about being them and killer them and keep it on them. So I say them and they respect Masicka, Tony Mataran, Elephant Man. If you notice how Tony Mataran speak highly of Masicka, because Masicka remind the man them, say, yo, Masicka is an article youth, Masicka is a great youth.
Brothers for the industry stay, bro. Like, come on. Like people are gonna rate you if you look up to them, like they're on them every day, pick them up, all of them look a thing there, brother. You see me? I saw you thing go like normal human, like anybody, if somebody a big you up all the time, yeah, you gotta rate them. You understand? So on all the while, yeah, get ratings. Alkaline just stay by himself. Remember, you know, if Alkaline was an artist where sit down and chat with them artists, you know, it would be a different talk. But Masicka, you see me, them can control Masicka. Tell them what to do all of these things. So yeah, them are gonna show them are give Masicka the respect there. You understand? An artist not obligated for like always I give it artists respect and all of them thing there. You see me, at the end of the day, Alkaline just forward out. Him same respect all of the artists them who did it before him. It's just that him just not mingle with them like how Masicka mingle with them. That's just the difference. You understand? But not because Masicka not there, Alkaline there on them means him not respect them. You see it? I just saw the thing said. But it still not change the fact say Alkaline is the bigger artist over Masicka. You understand? By far.
See me? So Masicka, me like when him do ignore Alkaline. Alkaline not going nothing. Alkaline ain't sing them knows too much. You see me I say? Alkaline them a joke thing, man. I really think Masicka do just avoid them, man. Because they never used to gain no strength. Masicka is a big star now. You see all on big international news. I sit down in front of, I think what, ABC News, me see Masicka pan. I promote his song. See me I say? Yeah, man, blessed.
Yo. Dog, so I tell you I have to laugh with them man when them man are talking, bro. To be honest. Yeah, man, me have to laugh, man. Man say ABC. Man, I promote song and one bag of thing. Brother, if you feel like say Masicka, bro, Alkaline have him own strength, dog. You realize that Masicka is the only artist with on the media, right? The only artist with on the media where run off his mouth. Bro, Alkaline no need to do that, brother. Alkaline, like, absence from the media alone, run the place, bro. The man name always a call without even doing nothing. All the man do is just chat music. Masicka dey on the media every day, bag of chatting and blows blank and all of them look at something there. In the media, bro. Alkaline not to do that, dog. The man I center attention, brother.
Yo, you know,
Secret beef.
So look at how people, that girl yeah, you see me, one bag of thing she say. Is it, but more while people fall on the internet, they don't really know what they must say now.
Brewing with Masicka and Alkaline. Nobody never tell me. You never know this, but me hear people say them a drop songs and shade in a songs pan them one another, and me hear some people even call for them clash. So if I was on either one of their marketing teams, I would advise against that, and here's why. No doubt a Masicka and Alkaline clash would be entertaining, but it also comes with risk for both of the artists. Break down why. Now, unlike a clash with an older artist and an up and coming artist, this would be a direct battle between two artists at their peak, and from a PR perspective, it would force fans to choose a side, which would cause intense debates online. But I think, me not think they need for clash because it not going to benefit none of them. I think clashes are for up and coming artists where try and make a name in a dancehall.
So wait there, me not understand this. So I'm to Bounty and Beanie and Cartel and Movado. Me not understand with that. What you try to say? What you mean upcoming artists? Me not. Yo, so when I tell people talking and them not understand what they are saying now. What you mean?
And Alkaline already have established careers. If one of them loses badly, it could hurt their reputation. For example, if Masicka lose, people might say, you know, he's not as lyrical as we thought he was. And if Alkaline lose, people might say, you know, this man never depend on the level we think him depend. I think right now.
What? Yo, look on the Gully and Gaza war. People say you want over the win. You see me? People say a Cartel win. He never do nothing for damage man them career. Me not understand that. You understand? I guess you not understand how them thing there. You see me? Them thing the clash is a thing where very important to the culture dancehall. There are times when, you know, it reached to that point there where yo, Ray, but sometimes it just end up with the wrong person. You understand? So, but if Alka and Masicka start war and thing, what it go do? Like, yeah, it go get the two talk about. Yeah, and there's somebody that gonna get robbed out. You see me? But at the end of the day, still I gotta highlight the two artists them same way. You see me, and the bag of talk about and, you know, controversy and all of them thing there.
Both artists are focused on growth. You know, Masicka has been building his international presence, especially after 438 and Alkaline, despite being reclusive, still has a strong international fan base. Clash could distract them from their bigger goals, which is taking dancehall global. There is also that aspect of it becoming personal.
What? Clash? I got distract them from going global. Man, yo. Me not understand that. We are talking about the last time them tell Masicka say yo focus on international and label and Ray. When they know. Like all in charts and him numbers them at Jamaica stay. We not see no international nothing all now. And him signed about 3 years now. So me not understand. Focus for international Alkaline international. We sure of that. Yesterday the arena them are sold out everything. You see me, some don't know what you mean by focus for international. You see me? And that you don't really know the core dancehall thing, you know. You don't always use it, oh yo, the artist them for focus on this and that. But when you check it, them have to fall back in line. Like, yo, these are the core of the culture. We are grew up where you about clash. The only difference now is the clash thing are more like internet thing, like, and up on the stage business again. I will understand that. And would I even prefer them type of lyrical clash there based on, you know, YouTube wise and them thing than on a stage thing. You see me? Because you don't know that stay already. That can cause a bag of thing. Every man have them bad man, them gangs around them and all of them go thing there. You see me? But at the end of the day, clash is a clash. And clash is a part of dancehall. Because look what going with Tamil and Masicka with here. Everybody I talk about it, news, people them pick it up, podcast them run with it. Everybody I run with it. You understand? Everybody love competition. The world is a game. It built with competition versus anything. Every sports is competition. So our in dancers, everybody I say, yo, focus on this and focus on that. Like this is our core. You understand? This is the core. You think the other genre out there now do it? Look on Drake and Kendrick Lamar already. Come on, man. We not look on the wrong things. You see, at the end of the day, international is international. You can go there so anytime. You understand? Because at the end of the day, the artists them still go over there and do shows. You see me? So, and Masicka is a sign artist, but we not see no major international numbers like based on billboards and all of them things. We not see none of that. You see me? Him still there at Jamaica same way on the charts in Jamaica. You understand? So, I don't understand what I try to say. You see it?
Yo, you know,
So, more while people, I tell you, more while me hear them people that talk some of the time, I have really just shit made, because I guess them not understand. And this is why a lot of artists, I see enough time like Joshy. Remember when Joshy and Silk Boss go at it and them tell Joshy say, yo, don't really pre them Monday. You understand? Focus on your way. Joshy go follow them and do that. Then when you look on Joshy now. What happened to Joshy? Joshy say my pretty bigger picture. Where is the bigger picture? Me say, I think a chronic law and something there for war. What name? Javilani. Them call Javilani phone and say, yo, no bother with that. Where is Javilani career now? Everybody who them call and say no do this. See, them career always just fade away after a while. Like sometime in life, you have to make people remember something about you. You understand? Yeah, you might have dropped 100 music and say yes, but you need to create some kind of influence or impact. Everybody are gonna remember Masicka and Tamil War. Everybody are gonna remember Alkaline and the Six them and Alkaline and Popcorn. Everybody are gonna remember Cartel and Movard. Everybody are remember Bounty and Beanie. You understand? Everybody remember Ninja Man and them Monday. Bounty and Merciless and them Monday. You understand? Everybody remember that. So una pre other future and all of them little thing there in a certain way. In no matter where you take it, you still go forward back at your roots. You see me? So you have to leave an impact on your roots before you go out there. Something where people can talk to you about and remember what you do. You see me? But as I think certain people, you don't know one media facts, you know. Big up everybody for your support. You see it? That is it.